You ever needed to explain how to do something but didn't know where to start? Maybe you've tried writing instructions, but they turn out unclear or confusing. So, today we will learn how to write a clear and effective procedural text step by step. Step 1. Choose a practical topic. First, pick a topic that can be explained step by step. It should be specific, simple, and doable. These are examples for good topics, and these are examples for topics. Choose topic about your favorite thing to make easier when writing procedural text. Step 2. Identify the goal and material. Write down 2 key elements before listing the text. Goal is what the purpose of the text, and materials is what do you need. These are examples of goal and materials. Make sure to write all material correctly. Step 3. Write clear order steps. Write the instructions step by step. Each step should be clear and in the right order. This is a good example of step in logical order, and this is bad example step not in logical order. You can use a number of steps to make it easier to follow. Step 4. Describe the expected result. If someone follows your steps correctly, what should they get? The result is the outcome of the process. While it's optional, it helps the reader to understand what to expect. This is the example of result. Step 1. Use the right English. Previously, we have studied the English features of procedural text, so just as a reminder, here are some language features of procedural text: rapid sentences, action verb, simple present tense, connector word, and adverb verb. Now it's your turn. Choose a topic that you like. Write a procedural text using the sense where choose learn. Write your result on the paper and let's see who write the clearest instruction.
Tips to make it easier for you: create a flowchart first to write down the main points. You can make it like this example. Then, when writing, you can use a table that contains information about the structure of the goal, material, steps, and result or conclusion.
Now, you know how to write a clear procedural text. That's it for today. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching and goodbye.